Hey friends, welcome to the channel today. So today on desk we have this is an Acer XC-830 EW11. This is an older machine. This is an Intel Silver processor, J5040. So it's got an Intel UHD graphics 602, and it's a 8 GB of DDR4 memory, 1 terabyte of hard disk drive, and DVD rewritable drive. So Bluetooth. This is a Windows 10 machine. Cannot be upgraded to Windows 11. I don't think this silver processor is on the list. I can always double check that. So anyway, as you can hear, this thing doesn't sound right. This thing sounds like it's a Mack truck. Look at that. What do you think it is? Yeah, it's spinning. Something that's spinning and grating. And if you guess the fan or a fan, it is correct. So we're going to replace this, and we're going to look at what exactly fan do you need to do this. And I'm also going to show you quickly how to take this down and to remove stuff from it. So let me shut it off, and then we will get sorry. Okay, so this machine is there's still use. You can still do stuff with it. You could, if you want to keep it for another, if you have Windows 10 on it and you want to keep it for another year, and you pay the $30 to Microsoft, so you can do it. Hey, listen to that. The sound of silence. Okay, it's one of those that comes with the adapter that looks like a laptop adapter. Unplug HDMI, mouse, keyboard, and we are gonna go and see what we have here. Okay, turn it around. I'm gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, so that's your one like this here, right? So we're gonna get that. Let's take some of this stuff out of the way, and here we go. It's one screw there. Another screw here. And it really should be just a matter of just lifting this away. There you go. Okay, so tops off. And this is the culprit right here. This right here. So all we need to do is to replace this. But while we're here, we can take a quick look at things around. So this got two slots, 4 and 4. So this set in, double check it, actually say 4. Is it 4? Yeah, 4. This is 4 and this is 4. I believe you should be able to upgrade these to 16, but for what it is worth right now, can I run Windows 10? 11, I wouldn't upgrade it for that purpose. If it can run Windows 10, then definitely. But this is a nice machine. You could throw Linux on it. You could keep it as it is and use it for, as I said, you could get another year from it on the Windows 10 with the $30 subscription. And you've got if I'm doing that, I would probably throw in a SSD, which would speed things up a bit. If you're doing even Linux on it, I would suggest throwing in a US SSD. So anyway, let's get right to it. So if you notice, there's a 3-pin, so 3 pins cable here. So it's a black, red, and yellow. So I'm just going to unplug that. Let's grab it and pull it. And then I'm going to use the same screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, plus head screwdriver. Take that off. These are on. You definitely want to unplug this. You don't want to do it with it plugged in for obvious reasons, because you have this spinning. Plus, of course, you could do damage to the board or anything like that. So we're going to need to reuse these screws. Now, here you go. So if you need to order the parts on this, you can look here. It's a cooler master, and there are two part number that you should be able to plug into even Amazon. I got their replacement in Amazon. I got this one at Amazon, and if you notice, the part number is right at the top on their cooler master, and this one is a A401070RB 3QNF1, and down under here there's another part number which you may see it by two, which is a DF0401012RFMN. Just make sure you get in the three pins, right? Three pins. You don't want to get the 2-pin version and then it can't fit your board. So, and I'm just gonna pop it over there. So you're just gonna arrange it similarly. I know you can't see that now, but I'm just doing it quickly to get there, to get it oriented. So if you set it like this, you can see the old screws, where the screws were. You will see the mark, and then you're gonna catch one. You don't have to go all the way with the first one, and then you're gonna go diagonal on the other side. Oh, that one didn't go anywhere. Talk about going all the way. That didn't go anywhere. Okay. So let's go in a little. Let's apply a little bit more force to it, right? It's also because I'm holding it at an angle, so you know, it's a little weird for me to catch when it's actually engaged properly. Okay. This time it's certainly engaged. Turn it around, square it up, and then I'm gonna put one more in. Right, so you get the picture. Right, you get the picture. So let's square it up a bit, and okay. Yeah, I'm actually gonna turn it on the back. It's a little bit harder for me to do it when I'm holding it like that. So square it up properly, then put the screw in place. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm just doing this just like the first one, putting the screw in place, right? Yeah, it's better. So now I have two. It's easier. So I'm gonna push it over there. Now I have two. I'll just put the other one in. You get the picture, right? I'll hold this so it doesn't shake the heat sink around too much. And that's why it's better to do it laid down flat on the desk, right? And I'm doing this so you can see. I'll just put some pressure on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down, then I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more. Good, good, good. Come on. Good. Then it's a matter of grabbing this. It's not going to get in the way. There's not anything else spinning. So, and it's not going to get all over here. So I'm not going to wrap it around or anything like that. Probably would be good if you have something like a small zip tie to zip tie that. But this is not going to get anywhere to interfere with that small fan. It's not going to get up there. So I'm going to put it over the 3-pin right there. 3 pins down. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. Your hand. I don't see how this is ever going to get up there. So I think that's fine as is. So I'm not going to put the cover off on. I'm just going to plug everything back in and boot her up and see. So let's find my that's my HDMI, and mouse coming up. mouse, and I need keyboard. Keyboard, where are you? Keyboard, keyboard. Yeah. Oh, one thing, we need power. Now, without the power, we are not going anywhere. Where is my power? My power is down here. Fell on the ground. We have power. Power is a good thing, and it's over here. Now you have power, you just have to be careful how you use power. Both in the technical sense and the, social sense. Okay, so there we go. Alrighty, so let's go. Let's apply power. It's actually flip upside down right now, but in the interest of visibility. Okay, where is my... Oh, can you even tell it's spinning? It is spinning. Or it spun, then it stopped, which is normal on the boot up process. And listen to that. Oh my goodness, it's a sound of silence, which is good in this case. And so we've got our beep. Acer is coming up. Let's switch it to my screen over there. So Acer is coming up. And over here, we've got our nice and quiet fan. And that's a wrap. That is a wrap. That's an easy fix. You just be careful on the part that you're getting, and you are good to go. This is a pretty simple, I would say this could be a 5-minute DIY. Okay, so thanks for the time stamp. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully this was helpful in helping you to identify your part, take your cover off, and get your thing replaced yourself and save your money. Okay, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Machine is up, running. Everybody will be happy. I'll be happy. You'll be happy. We'll all be happy. Have a great day now. Bye.